Here's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com calls it a lot sleeker and a little safer. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.